Ever dreamed of building a thriving community on your Squarespace site? Squarespace is fantastic for showcasing your brand, but what if you want a dedicated space for your audience to connect, ask questions, and share their thoughts? Traditionally, Squarespace doesn't offer a built-in forum solution, but don't worry, because today, I'm going to show you a clever way to integrate a powerful Phpbb forum, transforming your website into a vibrant community hub. We'll be using a common and effective method. Embedding this means we'll create our forum elsewhere and then seamlessly integrate it into your Squarespace pages. First, you'll need to have a Phpbb forum already set up. This usually involves finding a web hosting provider that supports PHP and MySQL. As these are the core requirements for Phpbb, follow your hosting provider's instructions or Phpbb's own documentation for a smooth installation. Think of this as building the engine of your community. Once your Phpbb forum is up and running, you'll want to navigate to the area where you can find the embed code or access a way to link to your forum. Different Phpbb versions might present this slightly differently, but generally, you're looking for options related to linking or showcasing your forum. Now, let's switch over to your Squarespace site. Go to the page where you want your forum to appear in the Squarespace editor. Click on Add Block or the plus icon to add a new content block. From the available block options, select the Embed block or the Code block. Depending on your Squarespace version, this is where the magic happens. Here, you'll paste the embed code or link that you obtained from your Phpbb installation if you're simply linking to your forum. You'll use a text block with a hyperlink if you have a specific embed code that's designed to display within a frame. The embed block is your go-to for more direct code integration. The code block might be necessary, but be sure the code is safe and from a trusted source. After pasting the code or link, save your changes and view the page. You should now see your Phpbb forum integrated directly into your Squarespace website. You can adjust the size and position of the embedded forum as needed within the Squarespace editor. And there you have it, your very own community forum, seamlessly integrated into your Squarespace site, ready to foster engagement and build a powerful online community.